Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing this easy date night makeup look. I have been wearing this makeup look every time I go out with my husband, probably for the last 6 months to a year. I've been using the same products and I love them, and I wanted to share what I've been using. So if you like how this looks, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start. I've already primed my face with this Naturium Plant Ceramide Rich Moisture Cream. I've used almost all of it all gone. I really love this whole brand. This is a newish brand by Susan Yara. She's on YouTube and she's really good at skincare, and she came out with her own brand, and I pretty much have all of her products. They're super affordable, and I want to actually do a whole video on it, but I've been using this every day, morning and night. I really love it. I'm gonna go in with some eye cream, Naturium. This is a really good eye cream. A little goes a long way. And then this is another repurchase. I've gone through like 3 of these. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This one is Apple Lime. So good. I'm really picky with my chapstick, and I keep reaching back to this one. I tried the Summer Fridays lip butter, but that's really beautiful on, more so than this, and I like to wear that during the day, but I don't love it at night. I love how that one looks. I don't love how it feels. It's almost too thick for me. The foundation that I've been using every single day that I wear makeup is this Smashbox Halo Healthy All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. So I just put some on the back of my hand. This is in the shade Fair Light. And then I just blend it out. So this is a really lightweight coverage, but it gives a really pretty glow and perfect for every day. I would normally just stop with that, but these lights make it so I need more coverage. Show every little imperfection. I've been using this Bare Minerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. I'm in the shade Fair. I really like this concealer. It's lightweight, but not too heavy. And then I'm blending it out with this new, I don't know if it's still new, e.l.f. Camo Sponge. But it fits really nicely in the corner of the eye. Then you could put some concealer right here. For just like every day, I don't normally do this, because it's just too much. I really like this sponge. This is my first time using it. I don't like the Beauty Blender. My favorite sponge is this Real Technique sponge, but I really like this e.l.f. sponge, and it was super cheap. I feel like the Beauty Blender for me is too stiff. And then just to put some powder under the eyes to help with creasing, I like this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet powder. So I'm blending out the creases. So right now I'm using studio lighting, but I really want to film a video with just natural light coming through. I am in my basement, so I don't know how light it's gonna be, but I really like watching videos in natural light makeup tutorials, because I feel like I'm able to see the color, a more true color coming through. And then the bronzer that I've really been loving is this Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer. I'm in the shade Butter Biscuit, number 2. I feel like it's a really pretty natural finish, and I like that it's cream. I feel like it melts nicely into the skin. If you want to give yourself a little contour under the neck, you could do that. And then I like to put this in my, or not in my crease, I put it on my lid. So I'm just taking a Smith 256. Okay, so that's all I do on my lid. The blush that I use every single day pretty much for every day. Sometimes I'll just wear this, a brow and chapstick, and that's it. This is the MAC So Natural Glow Play Blush. So I just take it with my fingers. Ooh, this matches pretty with my shirt. And then I just tap it in, bounce up my cheek, and go a little bit higher onto my cheekbone. And then I also like to put this on my brow bone area. So I will just like take a little bit, rub it my two fingers together to warm up the product, and then just kind of tap it in. I really have been liking my blush up here on my eyes. I just think it's really pretty and gives a nice little look up there. You do it across the nose. My eyebrows, all I've been using is this e.l.f. brow pencil. I really love it. I love how it's a drier consistency, this pencil, and just start filling in any bare spots. I actually won't use this every day. I'll normally just use my e.l.f. brow gel. But if I'm going on a date or something, I like to use this. And then I'll blend it in. Oh, it's not my e.l.f. brow gel. I've been using the Glossier Boy Brow. I like it, but I like the e.l.f. brow gel just the same. Maybe this one a little bit better because I think it could have a little bit more hold. But I don't think I would buy this again. Just because I don't know. I'd rather spend like the $4 that the other e.l.f. brow is than this one, which is I think triple the price. And then I like to use this to fluff up my brows. Okay, so I found this little kit by Becca and Chrissy Teigan. It came with this, which is like a highlighter eyeshadow duo, some powder, a glow powder, which is a loose highlighter, and this, yeah, it's a lip gloss. It's like a matte lipstick at Ross for super cheap. Kind of what it looks like. It's like a gel. I found some really good products at Ross. No, it's at Marshall's. I found some really good makeup products at Marshall's. But I like to just take a little bit of this highlighter, this powder highlighter. It's too dark for my skin. It's like a honey golden color. And then I'll pop that on my lid. So for mascara, I will just do this Lancome Monsieur Big, and then I've been using this Marc Jacobs primer, which I really like. It really fluffs up my brows. This really isn't an everyday look. I guess I should say like my easy date night makeup looks. This is what it is, but because truly my everyday look is no makeup. Maybe that's what I'll title it, my date night makeup. And then just take this. I like to look in a mirror and look down so it doesn't get on my eyelids. I feel like the primer makes a huge difference as opposed to just like keep layering this mascara. Look at that. Looks like I'm wearing fake eyelashes. Now that I'm done with cream products, I'll take some more powder. And I like to powder up just below the blush and the bronzer. but I want to leave this part dewy and the rest of my face dewy, but powder like my nose, my T-zone. Okay, and then the lip liner that I've been loving that I need to sharpen again is this Lip Bar Straight Lovin' Smudge Proof Lip Liner. I got it at Target. The color is beautiful, so let me sharpen it. So I did it right here. It's like a darker nude. And I normally will just wear this with lip gloss. And then blend it out and put some lip gloss on. But I want to put on this Chrissy Teigan lip gloss because it's a really pretty color. So I just put it on the back of my hand. I like to press the gloss in to get in the cracks of my lips. This is Rare Beauty 4-in-1 Mist. It has a really nice fine mist on it. I like it better than Fix Plus with the mist, with the sprayer. Okay, and that is my everyday, okay, I shouldn't say my everyday, that is my easy date night makeup look, because truthfully, I don't wear this every day. So let me know if you like this video. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.